Hey everybody, I'm back again with another video. This time I wanted to do some drone tech because Maxx is having a spring sale. So I wanted to get that out there. So let's check it out. So I'm on the Drone World website, and as you can see there is a spring sale going on right now, and the goggles are on sale along with all of the accessories, and they even have a coupon code which is right here, and all of the packages and kits have some things on sale. That doesn't mean everything's on sale, but some of the stuff is on sale. So let's just click on some of the stuff here. Now, everything that you can buy in the kit can also be bought pretty much separately. So if you wanted to build your own kit, you could go directly to Drone World and do that. You can also do, in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to do it on Amazon. Now, sometimes Amazon is even cheaper, which I don't get, but hey, that's how it is. But as you can see, some of the stuff is on sale, plus you get the discount code on all the accessories. So seems like a pretty good deal, and they're really pushing the goggles right now, it looks like, and you can go to each individual kit. Some of the kits are on sale, some of them are not, but they're got some pretty cool ones like the Spartan edition. So just scrolling through, you can see that all the different stuff they have available on the website itself. So if you really want to trick out your Mavic or your Spark, you can do it right here, or you can just purchase the whole kit through them. So like I said, if you look on Amazon, you will see a ton of Drone World stuff on there also. It looks like the prices are relatively close right now. I don't think that the sales are reflecting on Amazon as quickly as on the website itself, but if you wanted to go through Amazon just to have their guarantee and ease of returns, then you can also go this route. Anyway guys, I just wanted to get that out there as quick as I could and let you guys know that there was a sale going on these drones and their kits, and hopefully you found this informational. If you did, please click like, and if you really liked it, please subscribe. And if you guys see that little bell on there, click that and you'll see my latest videos right when they come out. Anyway, I'm gonna get the tech out of here. Later.